place, Ashburn View property, and people setting up the tents. This is from Saturday. Some people leave stuff from Saturday. I couldn't come on Saturday. And then I'll show entire property. We put our tent on, and today it looks like it will be quite hot. So that's why I think we're gonna put extra wall here. And I want to show you something. This is a rack with my earrings, and as you can see, it's framed with a metal mesh, and covered with plastic wrap. And this is the safest way to bring these earrings ready for display. 3 minutes to opening, and we on time. The problem is we forgot hooks for my paintings, so that's why I had to display like this, and I have more in the box. And today is extremely hot. I don't know why. It's supposed to be 20 degrees, and it's good that we have walls, and then actually much better. So we're ready, and everybody's ready, waiting for people. So 2 minutes to go. And then I'll show you this beautiful place. As you can see, we need the second table. This is, we agree, because we have more stuff, wonderful stuff. And this table was given to us by our friend as a gift, and I had no chance to buy another one. And all my earrings came safely. It's so nice here in shade, not hot. So now it's time to have some coffee. I brought coffee with me because I'm not sure if they sell coffee somewhere around, but then I'll check everything here. So now I can relax and I can have my coffee. Yeah, it's a fresh, nice coffee. And if you can hear ho ho ho, it's because we have a Santa Claus here, Santa Claus station, just like 5 meters from my tent. And later I'm gonna show the Santa. They taking pictures with children already, and they have two display. One display, it's like Christmas, and another one like pumpkins. There are two organizers of this show, and they came up to my stand, and they were surprised with this huge variety of unique earrings. They are gonna buy some because they were just looking and just like admiring every pair of earrings they see here and here. And I'm happy that people like my earrings, and I usually sell quite a lot, and that makes me happy because I put a lot of love and care in each pair of earrings or necklace or pendant, and painting as well. So I will be showing on my YouTube channel, OberezovArt, or Art from OLENA'S Heart. I'll be showing more paintings, more techniques I use. Just like, as I said, we forgot to bring hooks to put entire box of my paintings. And also we need a bigger table, or actually second table to put it here, because everybody has two tables and it's very convenient. My neighbor has a very nice display, has this kind of rack, and that you can hang everything there from both sides. This is what I was looking for the last week, and I couldn't find in stores. So I'm gonna have a walk and see what people are selling here. And actually it's such a nice area. So we actually in Ashburn property view, and here we have quite big property. It's like farm. So we have two displays, one pumpkin. Beautiful decorations. I would say, like, organizers did a great job. They tried the best. Look at this. So we can take pictures here and here, and let's see how people. Here's in the shade, such a nice temperature, but we're lucky to have the tent with walls. Oh, my husband would love this, and Leo, my grandson. The 2 more people should come, and that's why we put the wall, because this is my tent, but from the back. Maybe they will not make it. Maybe they were yesterday because it was for 2 days. Wow, we have here some food. And people still displaying, like preparing everything for display. We definitely need 2 tables and this honey and a lot of bees. Oh, look at this cutie. Oh, this is so cute. Crochet. Yes, somebody came probably to display. There's a parking lot over there, but also around, like, as you can see, a lot of space. And I will be making my tour and meeting people, like new acquaintances, later. There's another earrings. Hello.
Hello.
Cute. For children, because a lot of families are coming today, and they had a baby contest, actually, some kind of baby contest yesterday. Yeah, so more people are coming. As you can see, it's a beautiful area. So they're gonna put more fun for children. And we have some bites, some food. I wonder what they sell. So as you can see, a nice space, nice, like, you know, property. Coffee. Oh, I have coffee here. I was looking for coffee, but I brought my own. So I'm gonna test it, some cookies. Somebody's baby over there. Because it's very warm, and a lot of coffee here. Delicious coffee. And here we have some aroma stuff. Oh, some. So I'm gonna check everything later again and bring my cards, introduce myself to people. This way you make new acquaintances and you learn from people how to display. They always share some tips with you. Yeah. For kids, because a lot of families are coming here, and that's why they have a lot of stuff for kids, handmade. And it's nice space around. What the smell? It's candles. I can smell here. And this is for kitchen. I love this stuff. I have a couple at home. Hi.
Hey.
The people are coming, but the problem is we start getting a very heavy wind. And I had to put the stone inside of this display and another one. And it's always like learning experience. What do you need? What you need to fix these walls, like make the place safer, that nothing will be blown by wind. Always some new ideas.
Old friend, why are you so?
The show is over and we are packing everything. I sold a couple items and now it's time to go home.